Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay a parking ticket online in Brampton. It's super simple, so make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the City of Brampton official website. Once there, head over to the penalty notice order search page. Next, enter the required detail from your penalty notice. This includes the penalty notice number and your vehicle license plate number. Double check that the information is correct to ensure you retrieve your ticket details. Once you've got your ticket info, take a moment to retrieve or review everything on the screen. Make sure all the details are correct, then move on to the payment section. Now, for payment, you can use any valid credit card like Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Just a heads up, there is a $1.50 process fee plus taxes for each penalty notice. After completing a payment, make sure to either print or save the confirmation for your records. And that's it. That's how you pay a parking ticket online in Brampton. Easy, right? So thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one. See you in the next one.